Today I'm going to be making grilled cheese sandwich. So let's get started. The ingredients are 2 slices of bread, cheddar cheese slices. I'm taking 2, you can also take 1. Some butter. These are the ingredients: cheese slice, bread, and butter. The method is: first spread the butter on the bread. Then place the butter side on the pan. Then place the cheese slice on the bread. Cook the bread until golden brown, like mine. Here's the look. Enjoy! Make sure to like, share, subscribe,
Comment down below.
Thanks for watching.